Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have ask. We can do about factorization. Next, x to the power of 4 we can put into x squared to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to 2x dx. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 on here, and u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, we put number 1 on here, and we have u equals to number 1. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. The s and s we change by the u over number 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to 4 plus 4u. So because we have u and u in here, so I will put number 4 go to the left, and we divide both sides by number 4. Next, we can do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the t equals to 4 du. First, the derivative of number 4, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have number 1, so we have number 4, and that's why we have 4u. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so we divide both sides by number 4. Next, we need to change the bounds. When u equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 on here, and we have t equals to number 4. When u equals to number 1, we put number 1 on here, and we have t equals to number 8. So this one, that is about number 4. Number 1 we change by number 8. This one we change by t. About u we change by this one. And this one. The u we change by the t over number 4. So number 2 and number 4 we have 1 over 8. Eight divided by 4, so we have number 2. This one we need to expand. So we need to simplify this one. 4 divided by 16, we have 1 over 4. And now we need to expand everything in here. So we have 2t minus 8. This one we have 1 over 4t squared minus 2t plus 4. So for negative 8 we cancel. 2t minus 2t we cancel. And now number 8 and number 4 we have 1 over 32. So this one we have t to the power of 1 over 2. And this one we have t to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2. And this one we have 5 over 2. And now we can apply the formula in here. The integration of t to the power of n dt, we have t to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. And we put the bounds from number 4 to number 8. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one. So we have 11.78709.5. And this is the final answer of the question in here. Here is about the full answer